Essay on my favorite place in English, 144 words. One of my favorite places to relax is my room. When I am in my room, I feel most relaxed. I read books and letters, listen to music or sleep. My house has 3 rooms. My room has a big bed, a cupboard, a study table, and a chair. It is simple but very comfortable. Comfortable means पुरस्कून or simple, सादा. I love to read letters from my friends in my room. Sometimes their letters are very funny and I laugh to myself. Laugh यानी कि हंसना. I also love to read books. I have some books both Hindi and English. When I have free time after completing my homework, I read my books. When I read, I am often transported into another world, a world of fantasy. I like to do all these in my room because to me it is the most relaxing place in the whole house. It is my little kingdom. So thank you for watching this video. अगर आपको ये ऐसे रिटन फॉर्म में चाहिए तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में एक वेबसाइट का लिंक दिया गया है जहां पर क्लिक करके आप ये ऐसे रिटन फॉर्म में ले सकते हैं। सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ आप जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर भी कर दें। थैंक यू।